Welcome to Sirmione.
Siamo alla 3, quindi dobbiamo andare come 10.
As my trip to northern parts of Italy continue, and after spending few days in Milan, now I have reached Verona. The city famous for being the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, Juliet's house, and a huge 1st century Roman arena. But I am rather interested to go one stop away from the city and endure the largest lake in Italy, Lake Garda. The exceptional beach destination in Italian summer sunshine and a paradise on the shores of it, Sirmione. I prefer to call this resort town on the southern bank of Lake Garda paradise made for summer. The tip of a peninsula is surrounded by ruins of a Roman villa, museum, and olive trees, and just below is the rocky Jamaica beach, where we spent a day swimming in fresh water and made some new friends.
After a long day, so the finally time is to do some swimming, and I'm here with Maria.
Hi.
She's a better swimmer than me, so we're trying to swim because this place, Jamaica Beach here in Sirmione, is pretty rocky and it hurts. But still we're trying to swim. And she did pretty good job on that, doing the swimming thing. It's incredible! Not happening. So difficult. Than before. I'm wearing glasses. I hope it's not gonna fall down or something. Okay.
There must be some enchantment in Italian weather because as soon as you arrive in this country, you tend to be relaxed and open to new perspective, new people, and indeed, Italians are reciprocal and very friendly in return towards new visitors. As a matter of fact, I have met my new Italian friend Stefano here a day ago, and now we are traveling together. And we already made such a strong bond, as you see.
Just a time out. It's raining, heavy rain, so spritz. So all day here in Sirmione, how was your experience, dude?
Fantastic.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
perfect experience.
Yeah.
It's your second time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The best part is this gentleman just gave us a lift. We missed the last boat, and gentleman right here, he just gave us a lift to back to our place, so which is really nice. Italy is the best.
No need to mention about delicious foods, rich heritage of the past, historical value, and the arts in Italy. However, Sirmione has a story to share with the world. The story of happiness and joy you create for a lifetime once you spend some moment in this region. Sirmione will make you realize the ideal way of quality lifestyle, whether you prefer luxury or simplicity, but both with only one purpose: living happy life. It made me realize the importance of happiness as I was feeling it enormously in my heart. Or maybe you can call it the mystical touch of Sirmione. I promise you, Sirmione will also make your heart and soul fulfilled and satisfied as it did to me once you visit this place. Please don't forget to like and share your opinions in the comment below, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next episodes will be from Italian mountain. Till the next time.